Sue! Vikings are awesome! So fearsome! Ah!
They sure are. First, they lived on the north of Eurasia. Today, that's Sweden, Denmark, and Norway.
Cold.
Gradually, Vikings started settling almost the whole continent, from England and France to Russia. They went on so many sea campaigns. They were in Greenland, Iceland, and even Africa. Actually, Vikings were the ones to discover America 500 years before Columbus.
I want that too.
Sorry, Sammy, America's already discovered.
No, I mean to conquer everything. I'll be the most fearsome Viking.
Like this one?
Sue, don't be silly. How will I conquer lands looking like this? Here, I want to be like this one. I need real armor. A helmet!
Why do you need to conquer all the lands?
Well, it's for my descendants to decide. And now I need a helmet as soon as possible.
But Sam, I don't think you understand. You see, it's not a hat. It's a heavy metal armor. See?
So it's just what I need.
Sammy, you don't. Neither land conquering nor fearsome horned helmets.
But Sue, I really do. I'll make an awesome warrior, you'll see. I never thought my best friend would be against my true calling.
Sam, but I really don't know where to get such a helmet. Though, oh, I think I have an idea.
Yay! I'm gonna be a real Viking. Hi guys, will you go on a campaign with me? Write in the comments.
Hey everyone! Today we'll be making a horned Viking helmet. I can't forge a real helmet out of metal, but I have something else in mind. Bring me lots of cardboard.
Will do.
We'll also need a ruler, scissors, and a cutter. Guys, be very careful with cutting tools. Ask an adult to help you with this craft.
Here I am. And I am an adult if I'm helping you with the craft.
As adult as you can be. So we're going to make the helmet out of light and sturdy cardboard. It'll be easy to wear it, but it'll be rather big. Huh.
Well, I'm not little. Just imagine how many things await me. How many continents do you think I'll conquer?
I don't even know.
No less than 100. What do you think, Sue?
Sammy, there aren't that many continents. And please step aside. Your mumbling's getting in the way.
Fine. I'll let you work.
Now let's cut out our templates, like this. This kind of paper really helps to make perfect templates.
How many continents are there?
6! Like the number of the parts for the helmet. Guys, make sure the corrugated side of the cardboard is horizontal. We'll trace the templates onto the cardboard.
What continents are there?
Well, we have Eurasia, North America, then South America, and Africa. Oh, and of course, Australia, Antarctica. Now let's cut these parts neatly along the lines. Go nice and slow. This looks good.
Which one should I conquer first?
Sammy, why do you need to conquer them? I'm not even sure the helmet will fit you. Oh.
That's because I'm a Viking. I need to build a strategy.
Well, maybe you should start with Antarctica then. There are cute penguins and white bears there. You won't need to fight them. You'll just become friends.
You keep joking, and there's world history in the making. I'll go study the map. Think on the strategy.
All right, Sammy. And meanwhile, I've cut out everything. Look how neat they are. Guys, where would you like to travel? Which continent would you like to see first? Write in the comments. Now we need to run the cutter along the corrugated parts of the cardboard. We shouldn't go through the cardboard, just the upper layer. See? Just like this. Let's bend our cardboard to make the parts of the helmet more flexible. Like this.
Look! It's my boat for sea campaigns!
So you are going to conquer everyone.
Well, I'm getting ready. How's the helmet going?
We're going to glue it now. Guys, apply some glue to the side of a part like this, carefully. And place the side of another part to it. Then we press them well to make sure they hold.
Sue, let me help!
Thanks, sweetie. And we continue. Phew, I think I'm done. Look how great it is.
It's ready. Time to set out.
Wait, Sam, let's add a few more details to make it more beautiful.
Beauty is the last thing a warrior is concerned about.
But you aren't just a warrior, Sammy. I'm sure you'll be a real leader, a very important role.
That's right.
So let's cut out a strip 2 centimeters wide from the corrugated cardboard. Like that. You better keep it for now, Sam.
It'll help me train.
Okay, just be careful. And we'll measure and cut out 2 more very thin strips, about 1/2 centimeter wide. Cut them very carefully. Keep our fingers safe. And try to make them as neat as possible, because they will be the decorations. Great! We have these 2 strips now. Now let's glue a wide strip at the bottom of the helmet, wrapping around it. Let's apply some glue all over the perimeter of the helmet and glue our strip. There! And then cut off the excess.
Sue, where do these strips go?
You'll see. We'll glue them to the edges of the wide strip. Look, the strips should fit into each other like this. There! Doesn't it look great with decorations?
It's great, yes, but something's wrong, Sue. What about the horns?
And nothing else seems wrong?
What?
The size, for example?
There's nothing wrong with it.
Fine, let's make the horns, only bring me more cardboard.
Anything for those horns.
I wonder how Sam's going to wear this helmet.
Here are the pieces you've prepared. I hope the horns will be very long.
Thanks, Sam. So we're going to need quite a lot of strips. They have to be different length, but the same size, 3 centimeters. Now let's take a small piece and roll it into a tube, and then secure it with hot glue, like this. Then I'll take a longer piece and wrap it around the first one. Make sure the first piece sticks out like this, then continue adding the layers. Here comes the interesting part. We need to attach this piece at an angle. Look, and secure this piece with hot glue. Don't be shy with the glue here. It should hold really well. Now, we need to continue building the horn in the same way, making the rings and attaching them to the previous ones with hot glue at an angle. I think it's a great horn, though it's about 3 times larger than Sam.
It's just the right size. More fearsome. Guys, have you subscribed to the channel? Hit the button not to miss any of the crafts and have fun with us.
Sammy, are you here? The horns are ready. Let's just attach them.
Oh yeah! Just a bit more and I'll become the most fearsome Viking leader.
Let's apply dots of glue all over the horn base. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that should be enough. And now, press the horn to the helmet. The horn is holding, but let's attach one more ring around the base to cover this gap. Carefully now, nice and slow. Oh, look, I think it's much better now. We need to do the same to the second horn. There's no right or wrong way to attach the horns. Just use your imagination and make the helmet to your liking. That's the fun part, right? Adding your own touch to the craft. Ah, there. And the ring. Sam, take a look.
Oh, excellent! Marvelous! Put it on me!
But Sam, can't you see? It's a bit large for you.
Doesn't matter, that won't stop me from conquering new territories. Put it on!
All right, Sammy, your word is my command. How's your morale?
Well, it's fine.
Fine. You can live in it like a tent.
What do you suggest? We couldn't have made it for nothing.
I suggest finding someone it'll fit and accepting this someone to serve under your command. You're fearsome even without armor.
Oh yes, comrades! Brave warriors! I'm coming! So So, my loyal comrades, who will go to battle with me? Perhaps you? Or you? What's wrong? Then you! Nope, something's still off. Huh? Oh yes! I should have figured it out right away! Cookie!
Phew. I'm so tired. This helmet took much more time and energy than I thought. I can finally rest. What? Cookie?
Yahoo! So, look at my valiant war pug. Her name is Valkyrie, and together we'll conquer the whole world. Follow me, Valkyrie. Huh?
Are you sure it's going to work, Sam? Cookie. Cookie, what are you doing? Oh, I don't think she likes the idea of being a Valkyrie. Oops, there goes the helmet. It's okay, Cookie. You're a fearsome warrior, even without the helmet.
Oh well, we'll have to improvise. Guys, give a thumbs up to me and my Valkyrie, and join our army of fans. Subscribe to the channel. See you in our new videos. Yahoo!